Innovation. It's a word we all hear, but in RPG, it's more than just talk. It's how we grow, adapt, and lead. With businesses spanning manufacturing, IT, infrastructure, and beyond, we asked ourselves, how do we make innovation a way of life? It started with Click, our internal platform, where ideas from one part of RPG could transform another, a space where collaboration wasn't limited by industry, role, or location. But we didn't stop there. What if innovation wasn't just encouraged but celebrated? 7 years ago, we launched the RPG Innovation Festival. What started as a handful of ideas has now become a movement that spans 6 categories: new products, services, design, kaizens, and more. A movement that fuels the future of RPG. But innovation isn't an event, it's a mindset. It's not about one festival, one idea, or one breakthrough. It's about making RPG a place where challenging the status quo is the norm, where ideas don't just survive, they thrive. 7 years ago, we planted a seed. Today, it's thriving. And tomorrow, that's up to all of us. Here's to the ideas that shape us, the people who drive us, and the future we're building together.